Called me. She had seen an ad on TV for Cancer Treatment Centers of America. It was just a tremendous experience from the minute that I walked in the door. Their bedside manner, it's just, you just can't even describe it. It takes a very special person to do what they're doing.
Our cancer information specialists are here for you day and night. Call now and they'll send you this free DVD showing you how these special hospitals combine state-of-the-art medicine and unique therapies with the most compassionate care you'll experience anywhere.
I wanted to live to see my kids grow up. That's what gave me the drive to fight cancer. They supported that in me. They gave me choices. They made me realize that every life is worth saving. You can't fight cancer if you don't have hope.
When you have chronic bronchitis and emphysema, also known as COPD, sometimes your breathing can make you cut back on doing things you enjoy. But wouldn't it be great if you could get information from COPD experts that could help you breathe better? That's why we created the Guide to Better Breathing for people diagnosed with chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, including current and former smokers. The guide gives you pages of practical tips and treatment information, including getting the most out of your next doctor visit, all from experts in the fields of medicine, respiratory therapy, nutrition, and fitness. You'll learn simple exercises that can help improve your upper body strength. This and other techniques found in the guide can help make a real difference when doing other activities too. Start getting back to what you enjoy. Get the Guide to Better Breathing, as well as information on a prescription treatment option. Call 1-800-310-3761 or visit copdguide4.com today.
I'm a soldier, not a monster.
Make my depth 650 feet. Sleep below the 400 level.
Stacked out?
Yeah.
What about him?
650 feet. Con, sonar, I hold no contacts on bearing 295.
You know, I've seen me a mermaid. I even seen me a shark and an octopus. But I ain't never seen no fish in Russian submarine. I've ordered a routine clearing of the baffles and you will make the first movements. Caterpillar is operational and appears to be running normally. Crew know about the saboteur. They are afraid. That could be useful. You know, we could make the Labrador coast in 16 hours. Oh, it's Massachusetts.